next agenda.
Madam Chair, I have, if I may.
Yes, Mayor Mamay.
Madam Chair, this is to reiterate our concern as to tightening our action in combating illegal drugs because information raised in my office that the municipality of Nunungan becomes the entry point of the illegal activities, illegal drugs, smuggled items, passing in the barangay Bawian in the municipality of Sultan Nalimaporo, going to Nunungan, down to the municipality of Sapat, and eventually in some municipalities in the province of Lanao del Norte. In fact, there was a capture of the two smugglers as presented by Provincial Director Gonzalez of the PNP, which took place in the municipality of Sapat. So with this, Madam Chair, may we request for documentation of the truth for the military reform so that we'll be able to achieve, to give us further genuine safety and at the same time genuine action pertaining to our predicament regarding this matter. Thank you, Madam Chair.